All right, guys, I just entered a long on GC. This is the gold futures on the same bullishness that we've been seeing pretty much all last week and I guess starting this week too. I'm just playing continuation plays, so I'm hoping it makes a higher low here. It doesn't break below the previous low. And there's a possibility it breaks this one, and then we play off of this one as well. But I'm looking to pass these accounts as quick as possible. So I started a position here, and then you know what? So here's what I'm going to do here. I'm going to take one off as soon as I can. Let me check all the other metals and see how they're lining up. Platinum, okay, maybe a little retracement there. Silver, a little retracement. I mean, I see a pull back up here. It's high possibility. What I am going to do though, I'm going to move up my stop now. I'm playing a very tight stop because I know this could pull back now, and I want another chance as well for a possible reentry. I am now break even. I'm going aggressive here, so and I'm going to go a little bit under 1500 actually because I don't want it to for the consistency rule. I don't want it to make me have to earn more on the next day. Yeah, we're just looking for a small scalp off of the higher time frame here. We're already up 1,000. I mean, this is risk free already, so nothing to worry about now. It's just a matter of whether it wants to rip through my TP before it hits my stop loss, which I really hope it does. Come on, please just hit my TP before my stop loss. I know you can do it, gold. Here we go. Nice volume. I think we hit it. Once we break the high here, we should see a nice jump up. Here we go. Just a little more. Come on, hit me. Oh, brother. I just need a little pop up, please. I'm tempted to move up my stop to lock in a little more profit, but then I also want to give this some more room on the possibility that it pulls back down and it shoots right through my TP. Here we go. Come on, hit it. Hit me. Are you kidding? Am I going to get fucking wicked again? No way. Come on, bro. Are we serious? Gotta lock in a little more here. Let's see how the other metals are forming up real quick. Platinum made a move back up, of course. Silver kind of staying the same here. Are you kidding? Here we go. Should be smashing right through it. Very bullish. Just needs to kiss me. Give me a little smooch. Wow. No way. No way we don't get it. Are you kidding? This is exactly what happened yesterday, and I lost the account. This is exactly what happened yesterday and ended up blowing the accounts. Wow. I can't believe that. That's fucking crazy. Okay, silver is retracing a little bit. I guess platinum is too, so we're going to give this a little bit of time. Remember, the second low that I wanted to play off of was this blue bar on the bottom here, so I'm going to see how close we can get to that and then look for another long entry, and I might actually take it on my funded accounts too this time. I'll see you guys in a little bit. All right, well, it looks like we're getting our desired support. This is looking really weak though, so I'm just wondering if we're gonna hold. Everything's kind of selling off in unison, including NASDAQ. Let's give this a little more time. All right, so it looks like GC is heading into our zone now. And now we're just gonna wait to see if we can get a buy off of this. So see how it reacts when it steps into the zone here. One thing to be cautious about is everything is selling off together right now. So all in the metals. This is really weird, actually. All the metals, NQ and ES, as well as even oil and Bitcoin, are all selling together here. Which is very, very weird to me. We do have news tomorrow. So maybe that's what's causing a lot of these to act up. But as far as I know, we should be getting some sort of a bounce here soon enough. Let's see what kind of a pullback we get. All right, I went ahead and started the position here. Looking at least one more. And of course, my stop will be right below this level here. I want to add one more so that 500 becomes 1,000. That'll be my profit target. I'm not taking this yet on my funded accounts, but if we break this stop loss, I will be looking for one more support to be adding a long position in on gold. All right, I am pushing this break even here because there's a chance that this does roll back into the support and maybe even go lower. But we'll just get a better position, better average price if we do hit break even. And QNR is starting to sell off a little hard here. Let's see how gold reacts to that. I added one more here. I want to get aggressive on these evals. Like I said, I need to pass these ASAP, so I'm adding in, keeping my stop loss in the same area. I'm going to keep moving it as I go. Something new I'm trying for these evals. That way my stop isn't what it was originally, 800. I mean, then be risking 300. It's not bad. It's not a terrible idea. But I'm expecting a strong push up here after that touch on support. Looks like it's going to give it to us. I just don't want to get fucking top tipped again. I want this shit to be done so I can trade my fundeds. Silver and platinum are pushing up a little bit as well with gold here. It's a good sign. Show you guys how it looks on the right side of my screen here. Wow, I'm really going to hit break even again. I'm actually going to keep it below this candle here. What a reject. I added one more. I'm getting really aggressive. I want to be able to at least take one off if we bounce right back up here. Alright, this wants to go down again, I guess, so we're going to give it some more time. A little more into my zone, I'll open up a new position. There is a possibility we hit below this level here and retrace back to these EMAs. Take one more aggressive long here on the failure to break below. I need a bullish candle closure. Maybe we'll be set for these highs here. I want one more bullish closure. There we go. We're starting to move a little bit. One more closure and I'll consider going break even here. One more push up, I'll go break even. Going break even here. Looks like we're setting up for remove higher. This is good. Platinum and silver are pushing up a little bit too. They're kind of rebounding. I'll show you guys real fast. Everything's looking like we're poised to shoot up higher, hopefully. So I can finally be done with these evos. I need a break of this previous swing high, and then we're hitting TP. Even though it's for a split second, we hit a new high on this candle here. This above the swing high. Oh, there we go. Looks like we've got volume coming in now. Come on, just pop. You know you want to. Wow, come on, bro. I'm so close. Are we going to do it? Are we finally going to do it? Can I finally rest these demo accounts? Oh my god, this is fucking brutal. Well, I'm gonna go brush my teeth when I come back. Hopefully we're done with the accounts. Oh my god, thank god. Oh, thank god. Alright. Day one for these challenges, done. Let me lock all of these out and then move on to my funded accounts now. I am now looking for long setups on gold. After the perfect mounts that we just had on here, anything that's a long setup, we will take. Thinking about taking shorts here, but this is probably a lot harder than I thought it would. Let me see what I'm dealing with here, P&L wise on the low of day. All right, I'm taking a full position here. I did one more there on the hopes that this continues to reject, making a higher low. Eventually aiming for low of the day, which is where I will probably take this all off here on NQ. We're risking about $80 here in order to make about 300-ish. I'm adding some on the bottom here, so if it sweeps this candle like it just did right there, it's going to fill me some more, and then now I will add my stop right above this candle here, this previous one. What are we risking now? So now to make $300 and around $70, we are risking 83. I like our risk and reward here. Let me just make sure all the positions are active. All of it is 14. Evals are 84. That is perfect. We will add 2 more here on the break of this candle. I think this will probably be my max position here. Looks like we might be stopped out here for a loss. I'm actually going to move my stop to the top of this candle here. Where does that put me at? $104 risk. Looks like it's going to fill my extra orders here, and then hopefully we'll be off to the races to the bottom side of things. I need a break of another low here. Moving my candle to the break of this previous candle. Break of the low. You can see it's starting to form higher lows. But I feel like as soon as the lows start to give out, at least one, then we'll start to sell off here. I like how we just came down there. Need a full reject. No, you want to. Oh, it's going to take me out first, isn't it? I have it set to the break of the candle. Didn't break it yet. Looks like it wants to, just being cheeky. There we go. We filled. Now I got to change my stop order to 17. And if we start selling off here, I am going to change my, there we go. Now what are we aiming for? $420 on the day? Yeah. I want to see another break at the low here, and then I will change my stop to 669, right on the high of the previous candle. We'll add 2 more of this break. It's going to be my max position here. Expecting a quick sell-off. I need one more break of the low, and this should start to go. Not moving my stop lower until we see one more break of the low, and it fills my 2 more limit orders. Final risk right now, though, is 133 per account. Oh, no, that's not what we want to see. Reject still possible here, though. Engulfing bearish candle, maybe? I think so. Yep. Looks like we're going to get the break. Now I'm in 19 contracts. I'm setting the stop now back up top of this candle here. Now we're only risking 113. Wow, that's a straight flush. Now I'm wondering if we get low of day here. Not really what I want to see. Might go break even here. Actually, I'll just do it on the break of this candle up here. So I'm risking $56. Wow, it gave it right back. That's crazy. That's insane. I didn't expect it to give it all the way back up. Okay. Are we going to flush now? Maybe I should have taken the lows here. It's probably going to take me out. I'm okay if it takes me out. Wow. And thank God I got out when I did. How is it just going to retrace like that? That's insane. On to the next trade. All right, we're in on what is going to be a very quick long on gold here, and we're just trying to get in on the sell-off for a clap right back up. But we need it to start heading back up, and then we're gonna move our stop break even pretty quick here. But I need a quick movement back up. We swept this liquidity. Now it looks like buyers are trying to hold this up here. Buyers are coming in. Maybe I should have waited to add and then for a little bit more structure, but okay. I like the bullish flow coming in here. I want to see a quick move back up. I will go break even here. Really, really quick. Come on. Let's see this just go here. Okay. I like what I see. Waiting for 19 at least to take this off here. At least 19 to take this off. 19.5, maybe even 20. We're officially at the EMAs now, so we'll see how this looks in a second after this candle closure. Looks like we're headed for 19. We hit 19. Okay. A little more maybe. There we go. I'm taking this off. Very, very quick scalp. Fuck. I don't know why I thought I was gonna be at 4,500 on the day. I forgot I took a loss earlier. Hopefully, did it record? Did that not go through? Oh, it's weird. The P&L's not updating. Beautiful move. I definitely could have held for a little bit longer. I was already down on the day, so I didn't want all that. And somehow it looks like my Tradeify accounts are up more than they should be. That is not anything to complain about. I'll have to check why. So that was a 20 contract play on MGC, and somehow if you check the trade log, it looks like all my Tradeify accounts, as you can see, they doubled in position. They even tried to triple, but it said not enough margin. That's really weird. Well, thank God the trade was on my side. I think that's going to be it for today. I'm done on the day, so I'm going to end the video here. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe if you like this kind of content. And if you have any questions, leave them down below for me. Thank you guys very much. See you next time. Peace.